model, 2019 Renault Trafic Vivaro Sl27 Sport Nav Dci. Great mileage, spares or repairs. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 104,778. Engine, 1598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, sat-nav, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.